Umitri rang ba kejelau Konrad ke sangma ubadai ulampang juga kenhun MDA habakran kila patai kubor hadian kejelang uloang bahak ne kejia kendu kum ke MDA kila kran halor ke election MP Syaraja Sabha berkikwa bakum ke kenhun bay bandan tang uwe ukurtong lai itu baklai kran namar keladan katu kat ne ki kerteng ya kaba onum la ban ya thui ke kerteng jongki bakladan kejia kran benya Batla shimbru ya kejing sngau jang barok ki kenhun ki badan ha ke UDA batla shimi karai bakinya long teli kawai Hakabay bakani la thawi kawai ka subcommittee ka ban khali domentri rang ba bandrap ka sarkar jalau ba president tinsong banya kran ya kani ka kam MP Syaraja Sabha la yathu baki seng sain parthei kendon ka je kendu apadeng jongki hakini gisngi shwa bakan poi ka te gisngi bakani ka subcommittee kan shong ha ka sngi ningkong bar ha ka te gisngi on la ban chime ka rai jong kirtong MP Syaraja Sabha
As you're aware that we had the meeting of the MDA where our MLAs of the different coalition partners attended this meeting. In the meeting we had discussed certain agendas. One was regarding the upcoming session, assembly session, which is going to start on the 13th. So we informed all the members about the session and how to prepare for it. And at the same time, we also had a second agenda, which was to discuss about the upcoming elections to the Rajya Sabha. There were detailed discussions that took place and opinions were taken from all the different coalition partners, and all of them participated, and we have decided that whatever the case may be, the MDA will be united and MDA will have only one candidate, and discussions must take place at different levels. And in order to facilitate this, a small subcommittee, like we had done in the elections of the Speaker, has been formed under the convenership of our Deputy Chief Minister and other members, including the President of the UDP, the PP leader from the PDF, the NCP, Independent, BJP, and the HSPDP are part of this. And they will be meeting on Monday. And certain names were discussed in the meeting and proposed in the meeting, but it will not be appropriate for me to speak about that. Accordingly, the different political parties will have their individual meetings in the next 2 to 3 days, and then this subcommittee will sit on Monday and take the discussion forward, and we're hopeful that by Monday we should be able to come out with the name of the candidate for the MDA for the coming Rajya Sabha elections. Thank you.
What about Dr. Khalfi's name?
As I said, it will not be appropriate for me to take any names right now, but yes, some names came up and different names were discussed. Different parties gave their opinions, and I think this reflects the kind of participatory democracy and participatory coalition governance that we have, where we ensure that every voice is heard. And in that spirit, the way we did it in the Speaker's election,